I am Bart Reinders. I'm the new CEO of Oxycom. Oxycom is a Dutch company and we are a manufacturer of natural cooling systems. These systems are based on evaporative cooling, which is a very old principle, but also a very efficient principle. And we use this technique to efficiently cool air. We have two different kind of products. One is an energy saving measure for existing cooling systems, and we use the evaporation of water to pre-cool the air of these cooling systems. So it can be air-cooled chillers or dry coolers or any kind of cooling system. And we can reduce the energy by up to 40%. It can be retrofit applications, so for existing units, but it can also be new units. The new features for this year, I think what we have tried to do over the last year in terms of development and new features, we have tried to make it easier to install, especially, so it's now more modular, and we have added some extra, we call it auxiliary parts that allow our customers or our partners and installers to install it. I think if we talk about pre-cooling, I think it's an energy saving measure. So and cooling systems are still consume a lot of energy, especially here in the Middle East. So I think there's a huge opportunity here to save energy or reduce energy of existing cooling systems. An additional benefit is of the system that it not only reduces the energy consumption, it also reduces the peak power consumption of the system. What we see here in the Middle East, but also in other parts of the world, is that slowly temperatures are rising. We have more extreme warm days, and many systems have difficulties during these warmer days or have insufficient capacity, and with PreCool you can solve that problem as well. The PreCool system is not improving the indoor air quality, as it's an energy saving measure for existing cooling systems, but we have another product which is Intercool. Intercool is a indirect direct evaporative cooling system and is capable of cooling large quantities of fresh air at very low cost, at very low power consumption, and is therefore very suitable, for example, for the use in factories to not only ventilate the space but also cool the space in a very efficient way, with only 10% of the power consumption of a traditional air conditioning system.